everyone, and welcome to Knowledge Platform's LMS tutorial series. In today's video, we'll be showing you how a campus admin can save his time and create multiple classes in one go using a sample Excel file. He does not have to go one by one to create classes. He'll be able to create multiple in one go. So first of all, we'll have to do is log in, and after logging in, we'll go to the classes section. In the classes section, we'll go to import and go to download sample. This will open up a sample Excel file for you. So that Excel file will look like this. This is your sample Excel file, and here you can see the class code, grade, subject, section, all are mentioned, and the start date and the end date as well. These are the fields that you'll have to fill. The first four ones that I'm highlighting right now, these four, that is class code, grade, subject, section, and then these two, start date, end date, and the alias. Alias is basically your the name of your class. So what we'll have to do is, let's say I want to create an English class for grade 2. So what I'll do is I'll type English. I'll type a class code for it, English 2, let's say for section A, and code has the starting date, the starting month and the year in it. So it's October 23. So 1, 2, 3. This is for grade 2. Subject is English. We know that. Section is A. Is active? Yes, the class is active. So 1 for is active or 0 for not. But even if you don't fill this, this will be good. And I'll post the start date and end date here. I can edit it from here as well. I can change the date to, let's say, 6 October, and the end date would be 9 October 2024. October 2024, 9 October. Okay. And total students, you don't have to fill it. Alias is the class name, the name of the class. So the name of the class is English 2A. Let's say you want to create 2B. So I'll just copy all of this, paste it here. And instead of A, I'll write B here. Change some things, so little relevant things only. Section is changed. The start date and it will remain the same, but you'll change the alias. So I have created 2 more classes. Let's create one more. Let's say for English 2C. And for that, I'll change the section. I'll change the code a bit. Every class should have its unique class code. The start date and date would stay the same because I want them to stay the same. And I'll change the name of the class, English 2C. Now I will save this file and move back to my LMS account. Here I am, and you can see now I can choose a file to upload. In the import class button, I'll choose a file to upload. It will let me open. I have saved the Excel sheet, the sample Excel sheet. I've made changes to it and saved it. So I'll open and I'll click upload and say class imported successfully. If there were any error importing multiple classes, it will show you the row the error is in, and it will show you that this is the problem, you have to solve that. So this was today's video. You can see English 2C, 2B and 2A are created. You can go and edit these classes now. The alias, the section, all of it is here. We'll just save the changes. You can also deactivate the account if you want to. This was today's video. See you in the next one. Till then, thank you.